Okay, so we can use similar steps to find the volume of the right triangular prism as we use to find the volume of the right rectangular prism. So we've got the volume, the area of a triangle though, for the base area, and then we multiply by the length of one triangle to the other. Remember that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2, so that's for one triangle. Well, the area for a rectangle is base times height. This is because triangle is half the rectangle. So you can see here, here's the base area. The length is still the same, however the base area would be half of that. So for volume, the base area would be base times height divided by 2. And then we're going to multiply by the length of the prism, like that. So we're going to do the area of the triangle, the base triangle, and then multiply by, make that look like an L length. For example, on this triangular prism, find the volume of the prism. The area of the base, it's given here, this is the area, is 12 centimeters squared, and then the length of the prism is 9 centimeters. So remember, the volume again is equal to the area times the length. So we've got the area is 12, and we're just multiplying by the 9, which gives us 12 times 9, 108 centimeters cubed. That is the volume of that triangle. So we're supposed to find the volume of the prism. So the volume of this prism would be the area of the base multiplied by the length. So the length would be this 15.6. And the area of the base would be base times height of the triangle divided by 2. So what is the base and height of this triangle? The height is right by that right angle, which is 4.4. And then we're multiplying by the base of that triangle, which would be, looks like 15.5. So I'm going to multiply those first. 4.4 times 15.5 is 68.2. And then we got 34.1 times 15.6. And we get the volume to be 531.96. We're going to do centimeters, and it is cubed. Because it's volume. Volume is always cubed. That's the answer for that one. Okay, the you-do for find the volume of the prism. Again, we're going to do volume multiplied area of the base, triangular base, multiplied by the length. So volume of the area of the base would be, this right angle is the height, so we've got 3 by 6, and we're dividing that by 2, and then we're multiplying by the length of 12. So 3 times 6 is 18 divided by 2, so we get 9 times 12, which is 108. In this case, it's centimeters cubed. That's the answer. Here's a diagram of Graydon's house. What is the volume of the attic? So we're just finding the very top of the house then, just the volume of this top part. So again, the volume is the area of the base. So we've got the height of 3, the base is 8, so 8 times 3 divided by 2, multiplied by, this length would be 10. So we've got 8 times 3, which is 24 divided by 2 times 10, which is equal to 12 times 10, which is 120. This would be meters, again cubed because it's volume. So what is the volume of the cheese for this question here? We've got a base of 12 for the triangle and a height of 5, so it'd be 12 times 5 divided by 2, and the length of the triangular prism is 4. So we go 60 divided by 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 30, times 4 is 120 centimeters cubed. That's the answer for the volume of this cheese.